Where to find the best sites. Stock market trading and exchanges. Hello. So you want to know more about what is the stock symbol for Macintosh? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about what is the stock symbol for Macintosh is www.cnbc.com. See the page titled CNBC Symbol Lookup, Stock Markets, Business News. Here's the link. You can also try www.investopedia.com, especially the page What is the Big Mac Index? Investopedia. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.nasdaq.com. The web page Mac Stock Quote, Mace Rich Company, the stock price. Here's the link.